We're about to see a major super cycle when it comes to altcoins and especially for meme coins in the overall crypto market, because exactly 2 weeks ago I told you exactly here that we're going to see this rediversification from Bitcoin into smaller cap altcoins, and that this sideways move and this major sideways consolidation is going to be the beginning of a major altcoin season. Yes, I even made this video 11 days ago. These altcoins will explode next. And yes guys, we're going to look at all of these coins, because if we're going to go over to the weekly bubbles, these would have been your returns. Double digit or even 3-digit returns within the previous week, guys. We're going to look at all of these coins that I mentioned in the previous video, because yes, I even reminded you exactly 7 days ago that you should be buying exactly now, because in 4 days we could expect this major breakout. And yes guys, if we're going to go over to Uniswap, this video was released exactly here. And yes guys, we are seeing this major move towards the upside. But what if I told you that this is only going to be the beginning of a major altcoin season, which is about to start in this sideways consolidation, because a lot of Bitcoin holders are going to rediversify their Bitcoin profits into smaller cap coins, and ultimately guys, this is going to result in some major returns, because on the daily bubbles we can see that coins like TRX, Curve, Gala, they're up double digits in just 24 hours. So if you want to be one step ahead and you want to be profitable during this crypto market, all you need to do is be subscribed to B4Crypto, activate the bell so that you get notified when I upload a new video, and make sure to be in my free Telegram group, because yes, here I keep you up to date and we've been reckoning some major profits, because yes, you can even copy all of my future trades and join my free signal group. All you need to do is sign up to BloFin, where you receive a major deposit bonus up to 10% cashback on your deposit in form of a futures trade. Because yes, we've been reckoning some major profits, because if we go over to results, we earn some major profits. We closed stacks 131% in profit, Ethereum 68%, and yes, some of my members are reckoning some major profits. Like for instance, this member, he started with $50 on his account, and yes guys, if we go to the latest post, we can see that he already is up 3x. So yes guys, he started with $50 and now has $150, because he has been following all of my trades in my free signal group. So if you want to be part of this major movement and make some major profits during this bull market, make sure to be subscribed and join my free Telegram group, because yes, we're going to start with the price movement of Bitcoin. We can see that Bitcoin is dumping at the moment, but I told you 3 days ago that we're going to consolidate above the 100 moving average on the 4-hour chart and in between this major downward sloping trend. And yes guys, we could even come all the way back down to revisit these lows, because ultimately guys, now is the beginning of a major altcoin season. And we have looked at the altcoin index in the previous video and it was all the way down here. At the moment we can see that the altcoin index crossed the 75% and is now at 90%. So this is the beginning of a major altcoin season, because if we're going to look at the historic price movement of Bitcoin, yes guys, we are all the way down here in this red box. And if we're going to look at the history of the previous Bitcoin cycles, this is only the beginning of this major parabolic run towards the upside, which is going to lead to the end of 2025, round about October. But we're going to be smart investors, we're going to take profit beforehand. But guys, if you're not invested in the crypto market right now, you're missing out on some major profits. So the question that you're going to ask after you signed up to BloFin, which coin are you going to buy on the spot market? And it's simple. I've talked about all of these coins, and we're going to start with Ethereum, which is the leading indicator. And yes, on the monthly chart, I told you we are about to break out from this major symmetrical triangle, and you can see that the price movement of Ethereum already broke this downward sloping trend. So the trajectory is absolutely clear. Ethereum is going to break the 78.6, the 88.6, and its previous all-time high exactly at the levels of $4,700, and after that we're going to be in price discovery mode, and this is only going to be the beginning. So if you want to buy Ethereum, don't wait for any retracement, buy Ethereum exactly now. Because yes, if we go back all the way to the previous cycle, exactly 4 years ago, the price movement of Ethereum in December was exactly here. And this also marked the beginning of this major upwards move, this up only move, the last parabolic run. And yes guys, if you didn't buy the bottom, this is your last entry point. Yes, we can see that Ethereum is close to its all-time high, but we're going to look at some more coins. Yes guys, I'm going to show you 11 coins and a special meme coin at the end of the video, so make sure that you're going to watch the video until the end because you don't want to miss this meme coin with a huge potential. Yes guys, this coin could even 40x. But first we're going to look at Injective because yes, I told you to buy Injective exactly down here and you would have been in some major profits because all the way from my call all the way to the current price movement, you already would have been up 72%. And yes guys, we're not even at the previous all-time high yet. If we're going to see this move all the way to the all-time high, you would have been up 165%. But if you're going to buy exactly here, after we broke the 13 moving average, which is the indication, are we in a bullish or in a bearish trend? If the price movement breaks underneath the 13 moving average on the monthly chart, you can see that this was the beginning of a bear market. After we broke this 13 moving average towards the upside, this was the start of a major bullish run. And yes guys, once again, we can see that the price movement of Injective just broke the 13 moving average on the monthly chart. So yes, the trajectory is absolutely clear. If we're going to look at the possible target, if we're going to take the fibs all the way from the previous highs, all the way down here, all the way to the bear market bottom, we can see that the first price target was the 1.618. After this bear market and after we formed a bear market bottom, we can see this was the first target. But the ultimate target for the end of the bull market is easily going to be the $120 levels for Injective. And from the current price movement all the way to my bullish price target, this is going to be another 239%. And yes, if you bought in this consolidation period where nobody was interested in crypto, but I told you this is going to be the best area to accumulate, you would have been up 500%. It is not about timing the market, it is about time in the market. Buy when there's a lot of fear on the streets. So let's go over to the next coin that you should hold in your portfolio, which is going to be Solana. Yes guys, I do believe we're going to see this major move. We are close to the previous all-time high, and after that we're going to be in price discovery mode. We're going to look at the potential price target for Solana, which is round about the 4.618 Fibonacci retracement level as a bullish target of $1,170. But yes, with all this bullishness in the market, this major adoption, more people entering the crypto market as in the previous cycle, I do believe we're going to see a major move. Yes guys, I do believe we're easily going to reach the $3,000 being my absolute bullish price target for Solana for the end of this bull cycle. So yes guys, you're buying Solana at the $200 level. The first time I made a video about Solana was all the way down here at the levels of $24. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure to be subscribed. And the next coin we're going to look at is Radium. Yes, I gave it this entry all the way down here. We saw this fast move towards the upside. You would have been in some major profits just after a short period of time. You would have been up 158%. And now we see that the price movement is consolidating and giving you this opportunity to enter before we're going to see this major move. Because yes, exactly 1 year ago, also in December, all the way down here, we saw this fast move towards the upside. And if we're going to see this fast move exactly here, and you didn't buy Radium in this fearful moment where everybody is thinking maybe we're going to go down a little bit more, and once again, don't try to time the market and wait for any retracement. Buy exactly here. Because yes, we've looked at this bullish chart, and yes, we are exactly here. This black line and this major parabolic move towards the upside is just getting started. If you would have invested exactly 1 week ago, these would have been your profits. So let's go over to the next coin, which is going to be Casper. And yes guys, I told you exactly here at the spot entry that I would buy exactly here. You would have been in some major profits. We just broke the 13 moving average, and yes, we're about to see this move, which we saw exactly here and also here, because exactly here we saw this high, and afterwards we saw this parabolic breakout towards the upside. Then we formed the high, broke towards the upside, and once again guys, we are exactly here where we're going to see this parabolic move towards the upside. I do believe that Casper is easily going to reach the $1 level, or even all the way up to the $5 level, being a potential price target at the end of this bull cycle. Because yes, all the way from the current price with a bullish target just towards the $2 level is going to be a move of 1,180%. So I would invest in Casper exactly here. Because now's the time guys, let's go over to Jupiter. And Jupiter was once again a coin I called all the way down here, and once we're going to break out towards the upside, this is going to be a fast move. and all the way from this level, I do believe that Jupiter is going to make an easy 10x exactly from this current price movement, because we compared Jupiter with Uniswap and the price movement looks absolutely the same. We had the same consolidation exactly here, and yes, this was 4 years ago, and we saw this major breakout from this consolidation period all the way to the swing high. This was a 10x. And yes, Jupiter is a decentralized exchange on the Solana network, and Uniswap is a decentralized exchange on Ethereum. So I believe we're going to see the same move, that Jupiter is going to make an easy 10x from here, and the next coin is automatically going to be Uniswap, because I do believe that Uniswap is going to see this major pump. Why? Because a lot of people are going to use Uniswap as a decentralized exchange to buy all of these smaller coins on Uniswap. So yes, this is going to drive the price of Uniswap all the way to the previous all-time high, and afterwards we're going to be in price discovery mode, and the next coin is going to be Stacks. And 11 days ago I told you that 1 year ago we saw this parabolic breakout towards the upside, and 4 years ago exactly here in December we also saw this major breakout towards the upside. And once again guys, it is December and we're going to see a major move, and yes, I do believe that Stacks is also going to do an easy 10x all the way to the levels to at least $20 or even higher during this bull market, because the major hype, all these retail investors entering the crypto market, is only getting started. And yes, I'm going to give you 2 more coins, and then we're going to look at this meme coin. The next coin is going to be Nakamoto Games. I gave you this entry all the way down here at this fearful moment where I told you this is going to be the best opportunity to enter the altcoin market. And yes, you would have been in some major profits now already. You already would have been up 100%. And yes guys, if you're going to buy in exactly now, you could at least expect all the way to the previous all-time high a move of 385%. But yes, I do believe that Nakamoto Games, being in the gaming industry, it has a major potential, and that we could expect a further move towards the upside, maybe even all the way to the levels of 25 or even $30. Yes guys, some of these coins have a major potential, because if we're just going to look at Solana, and Solana in the previous bull cycle, all the way from the bottom all the way to the swing high, made 23,000%. So yes, some of these coins can easily 10 or even 20x during this bull market. And the next coin we're going to look at is Dogecoin. Yes, I know we are close to the previous all-time high, but if we're going to zoom out and we're going to look at the previous all-time high during the bull market, once we broke this level towards the upside, we saw a major move. Yes guys, all the way from the previous all-time high all the way to the new all-time high. This was a move of 4,000%. So yes guys, maybe we're not going to see a 4,000%, but who knows? With Elon Musk and the Department of Government Efficiency, yes, we could see a major pump towards the upside. Let's just look at the previous cycle. In the year 2014, we came all the way to the all-time high, and afterwards we saw this move of 797%, and in the bull cycle afterwards we saw this 4,100% move. And yes guys, this is the power of meme coins. So yes, these moves towards the upside of 4,000 or even 3,000 or even 10,000%. Yes, we're going to look at a coin which could easily make 100x. We're going to look at Altcoin. Yes, I've talked a lot about this coin, and I've bought exactly here, all the way up here, and yes, I bought every dip. I even loaded up exactly here at this fearful moment, because yes, I do see a major potential that this coin is easily going to reach the 400 million market cap, and at the moment we are at 5 million. This means that this coin is easily going to make 100x. So if you're interested in this coin, go over to my YouTube channel, because I made a dedicated video where you find all the information about the contract address. And if you want to find out how to buy meme coins on the Solana network, make sure to watch this video, because now is really the time to start trading. I made this dedicated video how to trade on BloFin, and yes guys, make sure to subscribe with my exclusive link where you receive a major deposit bonus, because yes, we've looked at the previous cycles where we are at the moment, and we also looked at the altcoin index which is about to explode. We've looked at Bitcoin, which is consolidating within this major zone, exactly as I predicted 2 weeks ago after Bitcoin reached a new all-time high. And we've looked at coins like Doge and also Ethereum, which see a major breakout towards the upside. Yes, if we're going to go on the lower time frames, we saw that Ethereum broke this downward sloping trend, and now we saw this major pump this retest, once again giving you the opportunity to enter exactly here, and we could expect this major breakout. Yes guys, now's the time to really load up, be for crypto, make sure to be subscribed, smash up the like button, and we see each other in the next video.